Mad loot. Lots of it.
Hi, this is Mike Reevey with Microsoft here at Las Vegas at Black Hat 2012 with Jared DeMott, one of our Blue Hat Prize finalists. Thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Tell us a little bit about yourself and your background.
You know, I was the kid that took his radio-controlled car apart and actually got it back together and stuff like that. So technology, engineering, building, exploring, kind of poking around and having fun with that sort of stuff was kind of how I went. So I got recruited by the National Security Agency right out of college in the year 2000. And that was great. That's a great place to start a career, and they sent me right for my master's degree, and I got a lot of good training and opportunities from that. So
what drew you to participate in the Blue Hat Prize? Was it the challenge? Was it the money? Both?
I was at Katie's talk where she announced the Blue Hat Prize thing, and you know, then I went home and I started thinking about it more. I thought, you know, I teach a class on application security. I do a lot more defense than I think I do, and so I thought, you know, the prizes aren't bad, and it'd be neat to see if I could apply myself in this area of defensive stuff. So I kind of got excited about it. That's kind of the whole, when it comes to security research, it's like research of any type in general. It's very exploratory. It's very, that's what kind of the fact that you don't know what you're doing right away all the time is kind of part of the fun.
So talk to us about your submission. What was your idea?
It basically is a whitelist of valid or known good return addresses so that when a function returns, it shouldn't be able to just return anywhere. That's kind of how the ROP works, is there's all these little snippets of code, like a ransom note, all pasted together to make some meaningful new paragraph of code that shouldn't have existed. And the idea is, you shouldn't be able to do that. You shouldn't be able to just tie little tiny pieces of code into a larger piece of code. You should only be able to return back to where you came from. So that was kind of how I approached that, and went with a whitelist as opposed to a blacklist and other ideas that I was kind of initially thinking in my head.
So if you won, what would you do with the money?
As far as the money, you know, pretty practical guy. Engineering mindset, would probably just pay down our mortgage on our home. So maybe take a nice little Disney vacation with the wife and kids. So that's kind of the plan with that.
All right. Well, Jared, thank you for joining us, and best of luck on Thursday.
Yeah, thank you very much.